How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. Let's get started. First up, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. To check that, you can launch your App Store or Play Store. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, launch it. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to your profile page. After you land to your profile page, at the top right corner, you will find three bars. Click on it. Here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Head towards the section of For Professionals. Under that, you will find the option of Account Type and Tools. Open this option. Then click on Switch to Professional Account. Now click on Continue for all these options. Now here you have to select what best describes you and then click on Done. Now select Are you a business or a creator and then click on Next. Click on OK. Now you can fulfill all these steps and you will be good to go. With that, you have just switched your Instagram account to the professional account. Now you can check whether broadcast channel option is showing or not. If still you are not getting this option, what you can do is click on three bars given at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option of Help. Click on the option of Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem without shaking. Now click on Include and Continue. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue that Instagram broadcast channel option is not showing, and then you can send it. With that, your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.